Dublin City Schools will add 25 mental health specialists to their team. It's all because of a partnership between the district and The Ohio State University. NBC4's Samantha Bender explains the program that was born out of a need for mental health support in schools.
In the summer of 2023, a group of 25 teachers and staff members from Dublin City Schools began a rigorous two-year program. It ends in less than a month with participants graduating with a master's degree in social work from Ohio State. Dublin City Schools currently has 18 mental health specialists, but the Educator to Social Work Pathway program will more than double that number.
Just a few years ago, we had 6, and a few years before that, we had 3. So we've gone in a relatively short period of time from 3 or 4 mental health specialists to over 40. And that's a reflection of the need.
Lindsay Berkins is a member of the cadre. When she first learned about the opportunity, she jumped on it.
I thought it was a no-brainer. For the past, seriously, 10 years in the classroom, we've been noticing so much dysregulation, families in need, and as classroom teachers, it's hard to do all of that support.
Berkins says it's been no easy feat. Upon being selected, she immediately began a summer internship with 4 classes on top of it. But she's already seeing that hard work pay off with her students.
They're already starting to get new coping skills because there's more people in the building to help. They're already starting to come and ask for help before things get too bad.
Tyler Wolf, Director of Student Wellness at Dublin City Schools, says especially since the COVID-19 pandemic, they've seen increased amounts of anxiety and depression in students. He says they want to reduce the stigma around accessing mental health care.
Just like a person with a broken arm wouldn't, be afraid to go to the doctor, someone with a mental health issue shouldn't be afraid to access care, whether it's at school or somewhere else, because our mental health is just as important as our physical health.
Berkins says she sees students, their families, and the community as partners.
We cannot have a school without loving on the community and making sure that homes feel good, they have what they need, students feel good, because when they walk in our doors, we really want to make sure that they're supported.
Berkins tells me with all the changes in education and funding across the state and nation, it's important to protect mental health.
I would hope that this is just the study that OSU is doing can lay the groundwork for that and the blueprint so that other districts and other schools can have this opportunity and students and families can be helped.
Cadre members graduate from Ohio State on May 4th and will sit for the LSW. Beginning in the fall, they'll serve as licensed mental health specialists within Dublin City Schools. Local for you, I'm Samantha Bender, NBC4.